What's up, everybody? Me and the wife decided to go out and have a little fishing trip and cook some pork chops over the open fire. Here's our little spot back at the creek, and if you ain't ever had pork chops over an open fire, I definitely recommend it. It's amazing. But I'm using a high-low rig, putting on some worm on the high part and putting on Jello chicken breasts on the bottom. It was a fun night. It wasn't too cold. It got down to like the mid-50s. With the fire by, you couldn't hardly ever tell. Of course, I'm built like an Eskimo, so I stay pretty warm no matter what. But yeah, that's some of that chicken breast on the lower part of the high-low river rig. Tied a 50-50 knot to the bottom weight just in case I got hung up and pop loose. But, yep, that's pretty much the fishing setup. Yeah, it was a fun night. We come out here and do some catfishing, and funny enough, I only caught that one catfish, and I've been carp fishing all for the last 2 weeks, haven't hardly caught nothing. And the night I come out to go do some catfishing, I end up catching carp, so it's kind of funny. Yeah, that's a little dink right there, a couple pounds. It was a fun catch though, you know. At least we caught something last night or the other night. We decided to let him go. He wasn't quite big enough to put in a dinner pot, but it was still fun to catch. He was a slippery little guy. He kept trying to slip right out of my hands. Yep, there's a good shot of those pork chops, man. They were so juicy. I recommend giving them a shot if you ever have a chance. Just find you a good little willow branch and make sure your flames ain't too high. It's better to do it over a coals than it is flames. And just let them sit for a good 15-20 minutes and they should be good. Listen.